some journeys are not group work. Maybe you are
Makhosi.
meant to go alone, but mawumdala, then it's better, and you have somebody that will support you, because like I'm saying, not everybody in the family will say abayingeni. But I wanted also to say ukuthi mangikhuluma ukuthi imimoya iyahamba ibe miningi. The one thing that parents or a parent yabantwana that are gifted, or that I believe song wonke umzali should be doing, even the person that is gifted, or we should be instilling the prayer. Kunezithunywa zikamenzi, kube ney'thunywa zethu zasekhaya that would be badimo barona. But there are those messengers that were not human beings, never lived. Either they are creation or they are straight direct messengers of the creator. I always say ebantwini mawugifted and uzwa bathi kunesithunywa kunedlozi, always go for isithunywa first. Not because what is superior to what and what is not superior to what. Isithunywa has a way of grounding you so much that even if ngoba edlozini imimoya eminingi iyakwazi ukuvumbuka, should there be spirits that are just there to distract and to destroy, you are cemented and grounded in the creator's messengers, or within a creator. Now ukukhuleka sikholelwa ngendlela esikholelwa ngazo. Bazothi mvela inqanye, bathi qamatha, bari Ramasedi, bari God, bari creator, bathi menzi. Whatever lokho, but okugodly, rhotla kamoya okhanya. Because I also discourage all the time into yokuthi sithi umntwana uphethwe ugogo noma umkhulu, but that child is presenting violent spirits. That child is coming with ancestors that are vulgar, that are destructive, that bring chaos within the family. If something say Toma Ibankari, it's destructive and it's not godly, those are the spirits we should be careful of. And gulama ngaba, you are cemented and grounded within lenzwe, not lenzwe as in religious lenzwe, because
Makhosi.
that's another topic. Sikhuluma nge-creator, the supreme being. Sikhuluma ngade divine. If that is in order, you are able to navigate. Not that the journey will not be challenging, but kuba lula, because you've got this cover or this protection ya Modimo, ya Ramasedi, above everything else. So always make sure with that part. I think that's why abogogo bethu were so pro church. Yes, church is in into zayo. We can debate that, but they were so pro that because it based ground in a certain way. You knew ukuthi yazi mangaguqa kabua le Modimo mohlodi wa dintho tsohle, o itse hanka, you know, however you connect with that God, but isithunywa will cover you when things, because mawuqala uba ne-gift, portals get opened. You go there, awazi kuvulweni, sewuvulelwe lokhu, awusazi, sewuphupha lokhu, sewubona lokhu, sekwenzeka lokhu. You go around opening portals you don't understand. But if you have that, iyakhona ukuthi iprotecte, futhi protecte the gift, because akuseyi yakho, you're just a custodian. How sinyehela na, ho tlo senyehelwa ba ekae within the family.
Yo.
So people must also just be careful in that. Let us ground bana in prayer. Ngaleyo ndlela that resonates with us. Let us ground bana ka light, in purity. Let us ground bana batlwaele to be peaceful. Let us not want things to be harsh. Let us not teach our kids ukuthi idlozi lislehi, idlozi libukhali, idlozi this. That everything negative, everything harsh, everything painful, everything, because baba nalento yokuthi we must suffer, baba nalento yokuthi kufanele sibe bukhali because yabogogo sihamba nabomkhulu kwamele, you see all sorts of things. But abantu baphethwe
Self-power.
amadlozi. Sometimes it's let's be careful. Let us really, really be careful. Kabana that are gifted. There's a thin line between umoya wabadimu, bamudimu, no moya wemimoya that are from also other sources.
Makhosi.